Is the US dollar truly dying? If you have looked at the headlines lately, national debt at nearly $39 trillion, and BRICS nations abandoning the greenback, you might be panicking about your savings.
It is a legitimate concern, Liam. For the first time in 80 years, the dollar is not just facing a cycle, it is facing a structural de-dollarization shift.
Today, we are breaking down why central banks are hoarding gold, like it is 1929, and what this new world order means for your wallet. Alice, de-dollarization sounds like a doomsday term. Why is everyone suddenly trying to dump the dollar like a hot potato?
Think of the world economy as a giant shared office coffee fund. For decades, everyone agreed the only way to pay for coffee was in US dollars. It was stable and easy.
But now, some of the biggest co-workers like China, India, and Brazil are saying, actually, we would rather use our own cash.
Exactly. And the agitation point, it is the weaponization of the dollar. After the US froze the assets of Russia, countries realized that holding dollars means holding permission from the US government. No one wants their sovereignty to depend on a permission slip.
So that is why gold is hitting record highs? I saw a report saying it could touch $6,000 this year. Is that just hype?
It is math, Liam. When you cannot trust paper because of debt and politics, you turn to atoms. Historically, gold is the only asset with no counterparty risk. It is the fire insurance for a burning paper economy.
But what does this mean for us? If the dollar loses its king status, do our paychecks just lose value?
Not overnight, but through a slow leak called inflation. As the world uses fewer dollars, those dollars come back to the US, flooding the market and making every single dollar in your pocket buy less groceries and gas.
So Alice, what is the activity here? What happens in 2027 if this trend accelerates?
We enter the era of the multipolar currency system. Imagine a world where the dollar is just one of many players. The US will no longer be able to print money to solve every problem.
So the free lunch is over for the US economy?
Precisely. We will see the great decoupling between economic growth and traditional finance. Real assets, commodities, energy, and robust tech will be the new anchors of wealth.
This is a wake-up call. Alice, what is our 5-minute action plan for the viewers?
1. Diversify. Do not keep all your eggs in the dollar basket. 2. Watch the gold-to-oil ratio. It is the truest measure of the health of the dollar. 3. Upskill. In a devaluing economy, your skills are the only inflation-proof asset.
Knowledge is the ultimate hedge. If you found this breakdown valuable, hit that subscribe button and join the 5-Min Smart community.
And if you want to support our mission to bring you these data-driven insights every week, consider buying us a coffee via our Ko-fi link in the description. Your support helps us keep these deep dives ad-free and independent.
Tell us in the comments, are you buying the dip in gold or do you still trust the dollar? Let us talk about it. Thanks for watching 5-Min Smart. Stay smart, stay ahead.